That's why you should study programming. The world is rapidly changing, and we are witnessing a paradigm shift in the job market. It is becoming increasingly technical, and many jobs that were once considered secure are now at risk of becoming obsolete. One of the best ways to future-proof your career is by learning programming. Programming is the process of creating software, applications, and websites using computer languages. It is an essential skill in today's digital world and has a significant impact on various industries, from healthcare to finance, entertainment, and education. Here are some reasons why you should start learning programming. 1. High demand for programmers. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment in computer and information technology occupations is projected to grow 11% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is due to the increasing demand for new software and applications, cybersecurity, and data analysis. 2. High-paying jobs. Programmers are among the highest-paid professionals globally. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a software engineer in the U.S. is $92,046 per year. As you gain more experience and expertise, your value in the job market increases, resulting in higher salaries. 3. Flexibility and creativity. Programming allows you to create something from scratch, whether it's a simple calculator, a mobile app, or a website. It's a highly creative process that requires problem-solving skills and critical thinking. You can work remotely or as a freelancer, giving you the flexibility to choose your work hours and projects. 4. Improved cognitive skills. Learning programming improves your cognitive skills, such as problem-solving, logical thinking, and attention to detail. These skills are transferable and can be applied in other areas of your life, such as decision-making, time management, and organization. 5. Boost your resume. Having programming skills on your resume sets you apart from other job candidates. It shows that you have a strong work ethic, are willing to learn new skills, and can adapt to new technologies. This can give you an edge in the job market and open up new career opportunities. In conclusion, learning programming is a valuable investment in your career and personal growth. It's an in-demand skill that can lead to high-paying jobs, flexibility, and creativity. It also improves your cognitive skills and boosts your resume. So, if you're looking to future-proof your career, start learning programming today.